Hello everyone. Hi Capricorn. This is the reading for you guys, and this is mid-month reading for the month of December, and this is general reading. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. So let's see your reading, your messages, Capricorn, Earth sign. Okay. Okay. So Capricorn, what I am seeing here, someone is coming back to you, and that person is very very passionate about you. There is a lot of passion because Knight of Wands. I think something happened between you and your person. Seven of Swords. I think there is some sneaky energy. Your person maybe lied to you, cheated on you. Definitely there is some sneaky energy in this connection. But you are listening to a higher self. High Priestess is here. In recent past, something happened between both of you, but your person is coming back to you. But you are listening to higher self. You have some trust issues, Capricorn. Yeah, they want reconciliation with you. For some, it could be third party situation. That's why you walked away from this connection. You are a energy could be vice versa, so take what resonate and leave the rest. Okay, it could be you are your person. I think it's you walked away from this person because the sneaky behavior. For some, your person maybe played games with you, mind games. For some, children's also involved in this connection. Your person may have children's with another woman. Definitely third party situation. For some, it could be, yeah. But your person coming back for second chance with you, and death. I think for some there is endings between both of you. Some endings I am seeing here. Two of Wands. I think you are also thinking about your person a lot. Definitely you also thinking about this connection. And Ten of Cups. Yeah, you deserve this, but your person not offered this in past, but now they are coming back. But you have some trust issues. You don't want to trust again because Seven of Swords. You walked away. Yeah, you walked away. Even though you walked away, you still have emotions for your person, and you are thinking about your person. But for some, you are undergoing some spiritual awakening. Your person could be Scorpio, death. For some, your person could be. So energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. And Two of Wands here. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries, or different states. Yeah, they're coming back. They're very very passionate about you. They're very attracted to you. Yeah, but you walked away. But this time they are coming to offer this Ten of Cups to you. They want reconciliation with you. They want second chance, but you are not taking any decision right now because you are thinking about, yeah, you are thinking about that offer. And yeah, this time you have to think twice before making any decision. And your person could be Scorpio, and lot of water energies here. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, so yeah, let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what is going. So Capricorn, your person current feelings. Queen of Swords, Eight of Wands, and the Moon. Yeah, your person could be Pisces also, water sign. Queen of Swords and Eight of Wands. I think communication. Your person want to communicate you. They want back and forth communication, and I'm seeing a lot of communication here because Queen of Swords with Eight of Wands. I think they are thinking about you. You stand by your power. You cut them off. Yes, because you walked away from your person. Now they want to express their feelings, and they want to be honest because Queen of Swords is honest communication also. So this time they want to express their true feelings to you, Capricorn. The Moon, definitely there are some illusions or misunderstandings between both of you guys. So your person want to clear those things between both of you. Okay. Yeah, I think communication is the key here. Definitely some honest communication. This time your person want to tell the truth. Okay. In past maybe they lied to you. Definitely in some situation, but they are coming back to you to express their feelings. Yeah. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Capricorn. Two of Swords, Hierophant, Nine of Wands. I think, yeah, they want to commit to you, but they are at some crossroads. Two of Swords is here. They have to make decision because they're scared. Yeah, they're coming towards you. They're scared because they did something wrong to you. That's why they are unable to come towards you, because Nine of Wands is guarded up. I think they are feeling like guarded up, or they're feeling that you are guarded up right now. Yeah, but they want to commit to you. Definitely they want to offer commitment to you, and they want to express their feelings. Okay, Two of Swords. Yeah, they are at some crossroads. They don't know which decision they have to make. Yeah, right now they are at some crossroads. They have to make decision before coming towards you. Yeah, I think they don't want to give up on you. What I'm getting here. Definitely you will get communication from your person, and they want to express their true feelings to you. Yeah, I think the Moon, definitely your person may be hiding something from you in past. You recently know about that. That's why you walked away. I think it could be third party situation also. Definitely there is some issues. There are some issues. But now they are coming back to win you back again. Yeah, they're coming back to win you back. Yeah, communication. They want to express their communication to you. I think, yeah, they want to offer commitment also, Hierophant. But before coming towards you, they have to make some decision in their life. It could be any reason, because Two of Swords is here. Definitely there are some crossroads, Capricorn. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Okay, Four of Wands. Wow. Okay, Princess of Swords. Page of Cups, yeah. And Knight of Swords, yeah. They want union with you, and definitely some communication. Princess of Swords. They may be spying on your social media. They want to test the waters. And Page of Cups with Knight of Swords. Definitely they are rushing towards you, and they want to say apology. I think, yeah, they're feeling guilty. They're scared because they did something wrong to you. Now they want to apologize you for what they did to you. Yeah, Page of Cups with Four of Swords. Definitely they want Four of Wands. They want celebration with you. They want to commit to you, because this is a beautiful card. This is also for some marriage card also. Yeah, they want to marry you because Hierophant is also there, and they want to take this relationship to next level. If it is not third party, definitely your person is true. They are changing. Okay, if it is third party, please don't give another chance to your person if you already know. Okay, Capricorn. So the Hierophant, definitely communication is the key here. Definitely apology is coming in your way, but at end of the day, it's up to you what to do, what not to do, Capricorn. So decision is in your hands, what I am getting here, but they are rushing towards you. Communication is coming, apology is also coming. So yeah, for some there will be reconciliation, because Four of Wands, Page of Cups, you will be, I think you will give another chance to your person. For some it's up to you, but definitely I am seeing some reconciliation for some. Okay, so let's see your overall energy for the let's see your overall energy for the mid-month. Capricorn, Three of Pentacles, see, Five of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, and Empress. Yeah, you stand by your power, and you are also thinking about your person and feeling stuck sometimes when you are thinking about your person. Definitely separation. You are still in separation for some, Capricorn. And Three of Pentacles. Yes, there is no partnership. There is no collaboration between both of you. There is no equal give and take. For some, you both already known each other. You both could be colleagues also, working in same office or whatever. But your person now want partnership with you. They want to work on this relationship. Now, when you walked away, they're coming back to you. Okay. So your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person overall energy. Capricorn. Yeah, Queen of Cups, the World, Princess of Cups, and Four of Cups. Yeah. I think in past they missed opportunity with you. They're feeling very very sad for the missed opportunity. But after that they found a lot of emotions for you, and they know now they are realizing your worth, the world. I think the same cycle is going repeating between you and your person. For some it could be long distance relationship also. And Queen of Cups, definitely they have strong emotions for you. They want to admit their emotions to you. They want to admit their true feelings to you through communication, and they won't apologize for what they did to you in wrong. So totally it's up to you, Capricorn. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.